question about social anxiety. I don't know if this is how much social anxiety, but say a person feels kind of anxious or I don't know uncomfortable when he's surrounded by people, and he would start doing things that are unusual. For example, I don't know, looking at the phone when he doesn't need to look at the phone. So is this considered like lying? For example?
No, I mean I would say it depends why you're looking at the phone. So sometimes that's my own trick. That's what I do. For example, I work on a street in the summer, and it was too late. I could not cross the street. There was no way to cross, and there is some lady, properly clad lady. So I would look at my phone and check my messages. I don't have any messages. I mean, there is always something to check, and turn to this side, to that side, get excited, maybe somebody on the phone, and that's it. So I would do that, right? So, but it's avoid the aware. I mean, what do they lose? I mean, do I take money from them? Right? Nothing. But for them, it's a normal. Like for people, it's normal behavior when somebody have a phone call and they take a phone and they go and they were walk in this direction, now they go in that direction. It doesn't matter. It's normal. It doesn't. Society does not see that as something abnormal. Right? So I would do that for sure. Or for example, I'm passing people. I don't want to talk to them for whatever reason. So I would pretend that I'm on the phone. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
But in this case, like, instead of avoiding an avera, it would be more like just for the fact of feeling nervous because of being surrounded by people. Would this be okay still?
Yes, yeah, it would be okay. Yeah. So you don't want to get involved with other people. They want to just for them to leave you alone. Yeah, that's perfectly normal.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.